We all yearn for the skin of our youth, with its suppleness, resilience, and turgor. These youthful qualities are due in part to the skin's high water content. With aging, one of the biggest changes is the skin's inability to produce moisture and retain water. The big beauty industry will have you believe that the only way to a more youthful appearance is to slather on as much moisturizer as your skin and wallet can handle. Unfortunately, moisturizers do not help the skin in this way, just like a Band-Aid can't actually heal a cut. With optimal skin health and proper skin supplementation with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or sodium hyaluronate, you can regain that youthful suppleness. Remember that in healthy functioning skin, there is optimum active cell turnover and exfoliation. These help to prevent drying and aid in the skin's natural moisture production and retention. There are also fewer dead skin cells on the surface of the skin and an increase in the organization of cells in the epidermis, which leads to more natural moisturizing factor, or NMF, and hyaluronic acid in your cells. Add in our Mikel Kristi Vital A serum with retinaldehyde to aid in exfoliation and natural moisture production. Supplement your skin with topical hydrating ingredients. The main goal of most moisturizers is to act as an occlusive and decrease the water loss from dead skin cells on the surface, or as a humectant to increase the water content of those same cells through water-attracting agents. Hyaluronic acid, which absorbs 1,000 times its weight in water, is an ingredient commonly used in many moisturizer products. However, for any ingredient to effectively create change in the skin, it needs to be able to penetrate the skin's barrier and absorb into the skin. Hyaluronic acid in its primary form has a high molecular weight, which prohibits skin penetration. So hyaluronic acid in this state acts more as an occlusive moisturizer to decrease water loss. For optimal penetration, the hyaluronic acid needs to be low molecular weight, or better yet, a derivative of hyaluronic acid called sodium hyaluronate. Sodium hyaluronate is a salt of hyaluronic acid and can penetrate deeply into the skin to attract water to plump and hydrate the skin cells. Great moisturizing ingredients are not always in the form of lotions or creams. Our Vital C Repair Serum offers a concentrated dose of sodium hyaluronate. This serum is light and silky with ingredients not only for hydration but also for brightening and antioxidant protection. Our Biopeptide Hydrating Lotion also offers sodium hyaluronate with peptides in a luxurious anti-aging lotion. At Mikel Kristi, we value the science behind our ingredients. Our bioactive cosmeceutical products will deliver results that you love.